If you're new to knives or you're looking to expand your collection before you spend money on anything, hear me out here. I have 6 different knives in front of me. The reality is you only need 2 for about 95+% of jobs if you get the right 2. And then we've got 2 extras here that are for some specialty type of slicing, but they're generally the ones you would end up needing if you were to get a third. Okay, so yes, you only need 2 knives. First thing you need would be a chef's knife. I have 2 here. One is 8 inches, one is, I believe, 9.5. Anything between 8 and 10 inches, a good old regular chef's knife will do the trick. These are Enso SG2s, Damascus. They're stunning. They're stainless steel. These things will last forever. They're kind of like a hybrid between a Japanese blade with a more German Western style handle. 8 to 10 inch chef's knife. That's the first knife you need. The next knife that you need would be a utility or a prep knife. Now, these look very different, as you can see, but their overall purpose is about the same. This one has a little bit more clearance at the heel for your knuckles, so you can get more of a tap chop in, but the thinner utility knife can also be used as a fillet knife or a boning knife. Either way, a utility or a prep knife next to a chef's knife, fantastic. These are the only 2 types of knives you really need for most everyday prep situations. And if you were to get a third, what would it be? It's either going to be a slicing knife or a serrated bread knife. If you're baking bread all the time or you're buying whole loaves of sourdough, definitely get yourself a serrated. But if you're more on the barbecue side of things or you love breaking down and trimming your own meats, then you may want to go with the slicer. So you need an 8 to 10 inch chef's, you need a prep or utility knife, and then either a slicer and a serrated. And I'm telling you, yes, I have like a couple hundred knives, but these are the 2 or 3 knives that I use 99% of the time I'm in my kitchen.